Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.26 sum. Let's see the question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. If there is any vertices is missing in a parallelogram, or if we know that there is a variable missing, to find it we need to take the diagonals. Let's see, if I take this parallelogram as ABCD, what they have given, we know that the diagonals bisect each other. In the parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So if I take the midpoint of AC, the point which comes here is equal to the midpoint of BD. It will meet at the same point. So we can take for a parallelogram taken in order, if anything is missing, any variable is missing or any coordinate is missing, we can directly take the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. In bracket write it as in parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. So we can directly take the points to be the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. If we substitute it, we can easily find it out. This is an easy method to go with the sum. Here I am taking the points to be x1, so 1, 2 as A and 4, y as B. X, 6, it should be in order. You can't write any, there is no change of any order if it's A, B, C, D correctly given, because it's taken in order. So always write it A, B, C, D. So you can also write let A equal to A 1, 2, B, C, D and start with the sum. Now we are going to take the midpoint. Before that, write the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now for AC it is 1, 1 and x, 6. For BD it is 4, y and 3, 5. Now you can take this to be x1 y1, this to be x2 y2. Now substitute the midpoint formula. Here is also for x1 y1, x2 y2 for BD. Now we can also write midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. After that we can substitute the formula now. Now we have written the formula, that is first one plus first one by 2, that 1 plus x by 2 comma 1 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2, first one plus first one, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. If I solve this, I can't solve this, I can solve this and this because of like terms. Here 1 plus x we can't add, it is not 1x, no, we can't add a constant term with a variable. So 1 plus x will be 1 plus x only. Comma, this becomes 7 by 2 is equal to here. So this is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. So 2. Here we can cancel this. Now we know that it is in comma and it is in equal to. First one will be equal to the first one and second one will be equal to the second one. Always first one is equal to the first one when it is in equal to. Now if I write 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, 2 you can cancel this because it is in the same position in equal to. Now 1 plus x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1 and x will be equal to 6. The same way when I equate the second one, 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 or 4. When I bring 2 to this side, it comes as multiply because it is in divide. So it becomes 8. Bring 5 to this side. To find the variable, bring everything to the other side. So y is equal to 8 minus 5 and y will be equal to 3. They have asked for x and y. We have found x to be 6 and y to be 3. That's all with the sum. Thank you.